Alright YouTube, it's your boy Christy baby back with another video. Alright, so I know at the beginning of this year I said I was going to start doing a lot more videos. Alright, on the 2005 Toyota Avalon that I have, the XL version. Alright, so I took the car to the shop about a rattle in the back. Every time you hit a bump, it rattles, it rattles, it rattles. The mechanic checked it out at the little body shop. He said it would be a catalytic converter. It went bad, so I'm like, oh, I might have to get that checked out. But as I was riding home today, I heard the rattle and decided to lift the car up myself. Lift her up. So she's all jacked up, and something told me to tap on the little brake right. You see this brake? Let me get a better angle. See this right here? This brake shield here. So something told me to tap on it and tap on it. And I thought the brake shield was actually loose, but no. Whoever changed the brakes on this car, they left me a little gift left behind of the previous brakes. This here, y'all, was resting inside of the brake shield right here, resting there, and it had a bad rattle, like there was a catalytic converter broken or that went bad. And the whole time, as you can see, it's all scuffed up. This is a remainder of an old brake pad, was sitting inside of the brake caliper. Well, the brake dust shield, just sitting there, causing a bad rattle. Now I have no more rattle after removing this. I have a video that I actually show how it sounded. I'm gonna release that one as well. I might put it right after this one, so I might just join the videos together so that y'all can see. So if you like this video, if this is the issue that you had yourself, give this video a thumbs up, turn on the notifications, and subscribe to the channel. And once again, this is your boy Christy baby back with another video. Peace. All right. Passenger side. All right. Driver side.